Hi family, welcome back to Enjoy Your Space, and if you're here for the first time, my name is Nyathon HMAID. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to organize my jewelry. Also, as I organize my jewelry, I'm going to tell you a little sad story that happened a year ago where a house help that was a family member to me took advantage of what my family was going through at the time and they stole all my beautiful jewelry pieces that I collected over the years. And I'm going to show you a hack on how to untangle these knots out of your necklace. And also I'm going to show you the organizer that I'm going to use today to organize my jewelry. So my objective today is to use this organizer that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to use all these slots. So my objective here is to transfer all my jewelry from all the different places or containers they are currently stored in and bring them together into this jewelry organizer so that I'll be able to access them very easily when I need them. So all my jewelry are out and I all have them in this tray. I hope you can see this. This was my tiara for our wedding. I really love this.
So I think while I'm organizing my jewelry, I'm going to keep my crown on because I think it looks cool.
While I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you what happened 2 years ago. So my husband was a political prisoner for 2 years in South Sudan. For some of you who might not know, but for some of you who know, you know the story. When he was arrested in South Sudan, and by then I was working in Nairobi, Kenya. Our kids were schooling in Kenya. So when my husband got arrested, I quit my job and I went to South Sudan to work there and also follow on my husband's case. I left my kids then with my sister-in-law, my sister, my cousin, and the house help. The girls were all students. We were sponsoring them by then in the house. I remember this is why I have this, so that I can get the scissors here to cut this. So I was mostly back and forth from South Sudan. So in my absence, our house help, for me, she's a family. When I was away, she was the mother of all the kids in the house. Came one of the days in Kenya, and I was looking for my jewelry. I couldn't find it. So I thought maybe I might have it in South Sudan because then where I was staying. So I went back to South Sudan, looked for it, I couldn't find it. So I was really confused what happened, where did I lose my jewelry? And guys, my top of jewelry, these were like some really jewelry pieces that I collected over the years. Just to give an example, I had like a really beautiful gold set. So my husband got released and then he came to Kenya. And I remained in South Sudan. I worked until now. I was on maternity leave to come and give birth because I was pregnant by then with our daughter, who is 1 year now. When we came, things escalated. One of my husband's cellmates who was arrested with him. Some of you might know, Carbino Wall, and for those who don't know, got killed in June last year. We had a very credible information that now these guys kill. The hit squad has been sent to Nairobi to abduct or kill my husband. We even had like credible information. There's a real threat on my husband's life and something needs to be done. Luckily enough, the US offered us protection and we were given parole to come to US. And that was just me, my husband, and our 3 kids. We couldn't bring anybody else apart from just us. So when we were packing and we were about to leave, in just the night before our flight when we were leaving, I packed everything and then I had them in this, and that's all the only jewelry that was left. So I just took this after I packed and just took it and then placed it in one of the drawers because I just wanted to actually carry it on my handbag. When I came back now to pick it up and pack it, I couldn't find it where it was. I was wondering, I was like, what just happened to my jewelry? And then I remember who was the last person I saw going to our room and coming out, and that was our house help. And then I came and asked them, have you seen my son? She's like, no, I haven't seen it. So I went and started looking in places, and I started finding she has hidden bed sheet, clothes, and this is somebody who has been with us for 13 years, and she was a family for me. Mind you, I even find a job for her. Me and my husband called her in the living room. She started denying. So when she realized that I was serious, she told me, yes, I know where I have kept your jewelry. So I told her, go and show me where you kept it. And seriously, she went and took my jewelry and hidden them behind the trash can. So we had a door next to the kitchen, and there was a trash can, so that you just open that door and take it out. So I think she was planning that she would be pretending taking the trash out and then just take it out with my jewelry. So yeah, so I told her, and then she went and got it and then gave it back to me. So now we realized that, okay, if this is the case now, she is the one who took my other jewelry. So we start asking her and say that, okay, where's the other jewelry? And if you don't bring them, we are going to call the police. This is when she confessed, and she said that yes, she's the one that took the jewelry, but the jewelry are not here. She took them to her house. She was actually at the border of Uganda and Kenya. And she asked and said that, okay, if you guys let me leave, we'll go bring them. And then I was like, you know what? There's no point. It's fine, you don't have to leave early in the morning. After we have gone, you can go and bring them, and then now you can start your job with the lady that I helped her find the job. So yeah, so since then she stayed after we left, because the house we had still 1 month rent. She stayed for 1 month, and then she said that she was going to bring my jewelry, but that was a lie. So since then she never came back. She switched off her phones, and we never heard from her. So now that I'm done sorting all my jewelry into the tray, so I'm just going to transfer them from the tray to the organizer, and I'm going to start with necklaces.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, to start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, to start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found,
If you haven't yet, consider subscribing, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post new video every week. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.